Welcome to Max KCC channel. We can know solutions of some problems in area of two curves in application of integration CBSE NCERT syllabus. Exercise 8.2, first sum, find the area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9, which is interior to the parabola x square is equal to 4y. So 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9 is the given circle. So x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. So center is origin and radius is 3 by 2. A square is 9 by 4. So A is 3 by 2, that is radius is 3 by 2. So now x square is equal to 4y, parabola opens upward, origin is the vertex. Now we can draw the diagram. X square is equal to 4y, parabola opens upwards and circle is given. So first you have to draw the circle. Okay. So anyway, listen. So first you have to draw a circle, then we can draw the parabola. Okay, no problem. So listen here, circle is given. We have drawn center's origin 3 by 2 comma 0. So radius is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 comma 0 is the point. Now it's our duty to find the area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9 and parabola x square is equal to 4y. We have to find the area of the region obtained within these two curves. So this shaded portion is the required area. So first we have to find the point of intersection of circle and parabola. So please subscribe our channel to get the updates regularly. Okay. So we can find the point of intersection. So 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9. X square is equal to 4y. Now instead of x square, substitute 4y here. We get 4 into 4y, 16y. So 16y plus 4y square is equal to 9. So 4y square plus 16y minus 9 is equal to 0. So we can find the value of y by the help of formula. Right, y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We cannot get the factors here. So minus 6 plus or minus 16. So 16 is b. So b square 16 square 256. Minus 4ac minus 4 into minus 9 into 4. So plus 144 divided by 2b, 2 into 4, 8. So which is equal to minus 16 plus or minus root of 400. 256 plus 144, 400 by 8. So minus 16 plus or minus 20 by 8. So minus 16 plus 20 by 8. Comma minus 16 minus 20 by 8. So 4 by 8 comma minus 36 by 8. So 4 by 8 is 1 by 2, 36 by 8. 9 by 2. So values of y is equal to minus 9 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Because in our region y is greater than 0, so we can neglect y is equal to minus 9 by 2. So we can take y is equal to 1 by 2 because y is greater than 0. So if y is equal to 1 by 2, we get x square is equal to 4y. X square is equal to 4y is the given term. So x square is equal to 4 into instead of y 1 by 2 we will get 2. So x square is equal to 2. So x is equal to plus or minus root 2. Minus root 2 is invalid here. So point of intersection x is equal to plus or minus root 2 is obtained by putting y is equal to 1 by 2. So point of intersection root 2 comma 1 by 2 and minus root 2 comma 1 by 2. So here root 2 comma 1 by 2 and minus root 2 comma 1 by 2 or the point of intersection of circle and parabola. Now we have to find the area from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to root 2. So x is equal to 0 to x is equal to root 2 is the limit on x-axis. As per symmetric law, we can find the area in the first quadrant and it is multiplied by 2. So required area is equal to 2 into integration 0 to root 2 y1 minus y2 into dx. So circle lies above, so we have to take circle first, then parabola second. So listen, 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9 is the circle. So 4y square is equal to 9 minus 4x square. Y square is equal to 1 by 4 into 9 minus 4x square. Similarly, y is equal to root of 9 minus 4x square by 4. So and parabola x square is equal to 4y. So y is equal to x square by 4. So we can substitute these in the area formula. So we will get 2 into integration 0 to root 2. y1 is root of circle 9 minus 4x square by 4 minus x square by 4 into dx. So listen here, 2 into integration 0 to root 2 root of 9 by 4 minus x square. 4 get cancelled, minus x square by 2 into dx, which is equal to 2 into integration 0 to root 2 root of 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus x square minus x square by 2 into dx. We can use integration root of a square minus x square into dx formula here. We are using this formula in plenty of problems. So we get 2 into integration 2 into x by 2 into root of a square minus x square 9 by 4 minus x square plus a square by 2 a square 9 by 4 by 2 9 by 8 sine inverse of x by 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into x cube by 3. I made a mistake, x square by 4, so x square by 4. So 1 by 4 into x cube by 3 over 0 to root 2. So listen, 2 into x by 2 into root of 9 by 4 minus x square plus 9 by 8 into sine inverse of 2x by 3 minus 1 by 12 into x cube over 0 to root 2. So apply the limit. So we get lower and upper and lower limits. So root 2 by 2, root of 9 by 4 minus root 2 square 2 plus 9 by 8 sine inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 minus 1 by 12 into x cube. Root 2 cube, root 2 square 2, so root 2. So multiply 2 inside, we get root 2 into root of 9 minus 8, 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. So multiply by 2, we get cancel. So sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 into 2 root 3, 2 root 2. So simplify, we get root 2 by 2 plus 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 minus root 2 by 3. So which is equal to root 2 by 2 minus root 2 by 3 plus 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root 2 divided by 3, which is equal to 6 is the LCM here. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, root 2. So root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 square units is the required area. Next question, find the area bounded by the curves x minus 1 the whole square plus y square equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 1. It is question number 2. So first given curve x minus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to 1. Here center is 1, 0 and radius is 1. Yes, r square is 1, so r is 1. So here center is origin and radius is 1. So now we can draw the circle. Please subscribe our channel to get the updates regularly. So first circle origin is the center, 1 is the radius, and second circle center is 1, 0 is the center. So radius is 1 unit, therefore the circle touches the origin. So okay, these are circles. So x minus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to 1. X square plus y square is equal to 1. Now this is the required area. Shaded portion is the region. We have to find the area. Now we have to find the point of intersection. So these sums are very easy sums. Integration is very important chapter in plus 2. So listen here. Point of intersection x minus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to x square plus y square. It comes from these two equations. So value of these two equations are 1. So we equate. So listen here, x square minus 2x plus 1 y square cancel. So x square. So listen here x square also get cancelled. So 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. So put x is equal to 1 by 2 in the equation of circle. We get 1 x square plus y square is equal to 1 and 1 by 2 the whole square 1 by 4 plus y square is equal to 1. So y square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Y is equal to plus or minus root of 3 by 4, root 3 by 2. So point of intersection 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2. So the curve intersect, the curve circles intersect 1 by 2 at 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2. Since it is symmetric about origin, we can find the area of portion in the first quadrant and it is multiplied by 2. To find the area of the circle, x minus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to 1 in the region 0 to 1 by 2, and we have to find the area of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 in the region 1 by 2 to 1. So require area. So 2 into integration 0 to 1 by 2 y1 dx and 1 by 2 to 1 y2 dx. So listen, equal to 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square. Y is equal to root of 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square. So minus invalid. So therefore we are taking plus 1. Similarly, x square plus y square is equal to 1. Y square is equal to 1 minus x square. So now we can write here. So 2 into integration 0 to 1, substitute instead of y1. So 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square dx plus integration 1 by 2 to 1 root of 1 minus x square dx. So which is equal to 2 into root of a square integration root of a square minus x square dx formula is to be applied. So x by 2, x minus 1 by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2, 1 by 2 sine inverse of x minus 1 by 1, x by a over 0 to 1 by 2 plus x by 2 into root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of x over 1 by 2 to 1. Apply the upper and lower limits, we get 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 the whole square plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 1 minus 1 by 4 into root of 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 1 by 2. We can simplify here. So 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So listen here. So which is equal to 2 into integration minus 1 by 4 into root of 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 the whole square 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 0 can be left into sine inverse of minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 0. So plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 1 minus 1 by 4 into root of 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 1 by 2. Now listen. So 2 into minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 4 root of 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 minus pi by 6. Sine of minus theta minus sine theta, therefore minus pi by 6. So minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of minus 1 minus pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 1 by 4 into 4 minus 1 3 root 3 by 4 root 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 1 by 2 pi by 6. So which is equal to 2 into minus root 3 by 8 root 4 2 2 into 4 8 minus pi by 12 plus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12. So multiply by 2, we get minus root 3 by 4 minus pi by 2 by 12 6 plus pi by 2 2 pi by 4 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi by 4 pi by 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus pi by 6. So minus root 3 4 minus root 3 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4. So minus root 3 by 2 minus pi by 6 minus pi by 6 minus pi by 3. plus pi by 2 plus pi plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi, which is equal to minus root 3 by 2 plus 2 pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. So which is equal to 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2 square units is the required area. Thank you. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you.